Monosubstituted benzene has only one substituent attached to the benzene ring. While writing the IUPAC name of the monosubstituted benzene, the substituent's name is placed as a prefix to the word benzene. For example, in this compound, the substituent is nitro. Hence, the name of the substituent, which is nitro, is placed as a prefix to the name of the parent compound benzene, and the name of the compound becomes nitrobenzene. Similarly, if the substituent is bromine, then the name of the compound is bromobenzene. Now let us name the following monosubstituted benzenes having the substituents methyl, methoxy, amino, and hydroxy respectively. The names of these compounds are methylbenzene, methoxybenzene, aminobenzene, and hydroxybenzene. The common names for these compounds are also widely in use. The common names for these compounds are toluene, anisole, aniline, and phenol respectively. Now let us discuss the nomenclature of the benzene that has more than one substituent. If more than one substituent is present, then the positions of the substituents are indicated by numbering the carbon atoms of the ring. The numbering is done in such a way that the sum of the locants is the least. This means that the substituents should be located at the lowest numbers possible. Let us understand this by considering the following two cases. In case 1, the carbon atoms are numbered in the clockwise direction. As a result, the two bromine atoms are present at the positions 1 and 3. In case 2, the numbering of carbon atom is done in the anti-clockwise direction. As a result, the two bromine atoms are present at the positions 1 and 5. According to the rule, case 1 follows the correct way of numbering. 3 isomers are possible for a disubstituted benzene. These 3 isomers are differentiated in the trivial system by using the names ortho, para, and meta, which are abbreviated as O, P, and M respectively. The positions of the substituents in a disubstituted benzene is thus indicated by using the appropriate prefix ortho, meta, or para. When the substituents are present on the adjacent positions of the benzene ring, that is, on the first and second positions, then in the IUPAC system of nomenclature, the positions of these substituents are indicated as 1, 2, and in trivial system, the prefix ortho is used as shown here. For example, in this compound, the substituent bromine is present at 1 and 2 positions. Hence, the name of the compound is 1,2-dibromobenzene or ortho-dibromobenzene. When the substituents are present at the alternate position of the benzene ring, that is, on the first and third positions, then, in the IUPAC system, the positions of these substituents are indicated as 1, 3, and in the trivial system, the prefix meta is used as shown here. For example, in this compound, the substituent bromine is present at 1 and 3 positions. Hence, the name of the compound is 1,3-dibromobenzene or meta-dibromobenzene. When the substituents are present on diagonally opposite positions of the benzene ring, that is, at 1 and 4 positions, then, in the IUPAC system, the position of these substituents are indicated as 1, 4, and in the trivial system, the prefix para is used as shown here. For example, in this compound, the substituent bromine is present at 1 and 4 positions. Hence, the name of the compound is 1,4-dibromobenzene or para-dibromobenzene. Similarly, the names of the following compounds with two different substituents on the benzene ring are 2-ethyl-anisole or ortho-ethyl-anisole and 4-nitroaniline or para-nitroaniline respectively. Now let's look at the nomenclature of tri or higher substituted benzene. Tri-substituted benzene has 3 substituents attached to the benzene ring. Let's look at the rules for naming such compounds. Trivial system of nomenclature cannot be employed as it has more than 2 substituents. This compound has 3 bromine groups attached to the benzene ring. If more than 2 substituents are present, then the positions of the groups are indicated by numbering the carbon atoms according to the lowest locant rule. This means the sequence in which the numbering is done should have the lowest combination of numbers. If the carbon atoms are numbered in the clockwise direction, then the bromine substituent is found at positions 1, 2, and 4. If the carbon atoms are numbered in the anticlockwise direction, then the bromine substituent is found at positions 1, 4, and 6. Hence, according to the lowest locant rule, the correct way of numbering is followed in case 1. Thus, the name of the compound is 1,2,4-tribromobenzene. In this compound, there are 3 different substituents attached to the benzene ring. According to lowest locant rule, the substituent positions in the ring are identified. Hence, the name of the compound is 1-chloro-2,4-dinitrobenzene and not 4-chloro-1,3-dinitrobenzene. In certain cases, the common name of the benzene derivative is taken as the base compound. Thus, anisole is a base compound in the following structure. The numbering of the carbon atom starts from the carbon bearing substituent of the base compound. Thus, the carbon bearing substituent of the base compound, methoxy, is assigned the number 1. Then, the direction of numbering is chosen in such a way that the next substituent gets the next lowest number. In case 1, the numbering is done in the clockwise direction. Thus, the next substituent gets the position 2. Hence, the positions of the substituents present are 1, 2, and 4. In case 2, the numbering is done in the anticlockwise direction, and the substituents get the positions 1, 4, and 6. As per the lowest locant rule, case 1 is the correct way of numbering. Thus, the name of the compound is 2-chloro-4-methylanisole. Note that the names of the substituents are written in alphabetical order. Thus, chloro comes first, followed by methyl. In this compound, the benzene ring is attached to an alkane with a functional group. In such cases, the benzene ring is considered as a substituent. The name of the benzene ring, when it acts as the substituent, is phenyl. The phenyl group is written as C6H5 or abbreviated as PH. The 2 bromine atoms act as the functional groups. The alkane is numbered as per the lowest number rule. In case 1, the carbon atoms are numbered from left to right. As a result, the substituent and the functional group are assigned the positions 1, 2, and 3. In case 2, the carbon atoms are numbered from right to left. As a result, the substituent and the functional group are assigned the positions 3, 4, and 5. According to the lowest locant rule, Case 1 follows the correct way of numbering. Bromine is attached to the second and third carbon atoms, hence should be named as 2,3-dibromo. Phenyl is attached to the first carbon atom, hence should be named as 1-phenyl. The alkane has 5 carbon atoms, hence should be named as pentane. Thus, the name of the compound is 2,3-dibromo 1-phenyl pentane.